How to delete charge-offs from your credit report. This is gonna be a no BS guide. It's not gonna be no guarantee or nothing, but we're gonna give y'all the sauce. Watch the entire video. Y'all know I gotta post my receipts. As you can see, Capital One finally came out the report. One of my clients, you see a 131 point increase, and as you see the date right there, hopefully y'all can see it. It was yesterday, which is February 5th. So I put it on my story. I was just saying charge off, deleted, consumer laws, all you need, blah blah blah. Cool. Let's get straight to it, right? So time is of the essence. This is why I have to put out this video like as soon as possible. Because if you didn't know, look at the date, February 3rd. Trump's consumer watchdog freezes CFPB activity on first day of job. Basically, they freezing activity on you being able to use a CFPB. It's gonna get ugly if you're not taking advantage of fixing your credit as soon as possible. I'm gonna give y'all the sauce so y'all can delete them charge offs, so y'all can delete, whatever negative item is on your credit. So I've been telling y'all this for years. I want y'all to take damn action. All right. So you can look this up yourself. I didn't make up this article or nothing. So how to delete charge offs from your credit report. Let's get straight to it. So mindset wise, you need to change the way you think. You need to understand that any item of information can, in fact, be deleted, right? Maybe you don't believe that, but you have to believe it or it's not going to work. If you can't grasp this simple concept, it's just going to be harder for you to get the charge off deleted, to be honest. I literally have helped clients with situations where they sued the credit bureaus, got a settlement, and they're telling them not to proceed with a lawsuit and they delete the item of information. So my mindset happens to be naturally different. I will be honest though, this CFPB thing just happened. In the times that I was helping people with litigation and all that, it wasn't with, CFPB got fired and this and that. So this is why right now it's so pivotal for y'all to take action if you haven't been taking action. If you've been sleep on taking action, like I've been telling you, take action, take action, take action, then I don't know what to tell you. So just what we did as far as to get the charge off deleted, to get over a 100 point increase, let me tell y'all just like an overview. So we did a dispute letter with consumer law, so I'm going to go over, more information on that. 1099-C request, so you definitely want to do that over $600. And then CFPB complaint. We did a CFPB complaint, but you saw what happened now with the CFPB. So just keep in mind, these are multiple tools that we did, but it doesn't mean that you still can't get the item deleted. But what I'm letting y'all know, time is of the essence, so it's only gonna get uglier. It's only gonna get harder. So you need to do it ASAP. Focus on fixing your credit ASAP. Make that your priority if it hasn't been in 2025. And then we did a BBB complaint as well. And as y'all saw, the creditor is Capital One. So, do what you will with that information. So you want to pull your annual credit report from annualcreditreport.com or go to Experian.com, just get your credit report from somewhere. And then 15 USC 1681I is a foundation of what we're doing in our dispute letter. So reinvestigations of disputed information. I've spoke about this law so many times. Some of y'all are probably that have been watching me. You're like, you're getting bored of like, damn, he keeps talking about this law because it's true, right? So reinvestigations require 1681I A1A. You could read the law at your own time. I'm not even gonna waste your time by reading it, but y'all see the stuff I'm highlighting. Any item of information can be disputed. They have to conduct a reasonable investigation. They're not gonna do that. Delete the item, you know. So that's what's happening. So you need to learn how to read a credit report. So just as far as inaccuracies, common things you can look for, I just put Equifax as an example. Payment history, balances, amount past due, balloon payment. These are different sections when you're reading a credit report. So your options, you have a couple options, right? So basically what we did, we literally sent a dispute letter. We sent a 1099-C request, which is called Capital One. We did a CFPB complaint with the letter and the 1099-C, and then we did a BBB complaint, right? So that's essentially what we did. So me letting you know that I got so much free information on my YouTube. If you want to use the free information on my YouTube, including this video, be my guest and do that. But if you want practical information as far as what to do, we have a university, right? That's where the information is at. But let me give you your options. Obviously, you can try to do it on your own. The issue with that is you probably already wasted a lot of time and energy doing it your way. So let me ask you a logical question. Does it make sense to waste an additional 2 weeks trying to do it your way, or should you probably do something different? Maybe investing in yourself is a thing you should consider doing, right? If you need to think about it, because sometimes people are, oh, I need to think about it, right? You need to think about it when the CFPB just got fired. What kind of dumbass mindset is that, right? If you need to think about it, ask yourself, how long have you been thinking about it and pushing your credit off? Let's just say only 3 months, for example. Some of y'all has been years. Some of y'all been following me for years and you in the same or worse position, right? I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to action takers. Do you think if you took action 3 months ago with somebody else, don't you think you would be in a better position than you are now? Right? Enough thinking about it. Ain't no thinking about it. Click the link in my description, get into university, go ahead and use the exact letter and go get your charge off deleted. I'm not saying it's going to be guaranteed. I'm not saying it's going to be immediate, but this stuff works. They're making it harder with the CFPB situation. What's the guarantee? Those of y'all that love you, what's the guarantee? I guarantee you, if you don't do nothing, you're still going to be stuck in the same situation or even worse. Why would you even quit before you're even starting, right? Asking for, oh, what's the guarantee of this going to work and all that? That's having a loser mentality. Only losers think like that. So keep that in mind. And then one thing you got to realize, likely someone that's been doing it for years like myself, that's going to give you extra strategy, right? You're not going to just get everything from watching free YouTube videos. That's the main lesson that you should be getting from what I'm saying. That might be the difference maker. It's like a boxing match. Someone that has experience versus someone that doesn't have a lot of experience. Experience is going to be the difference maker. Shout out to David Benavidez, David Morrell Jr. If y'all watched the boxing fight, I like both of them. But if you understood the fight, you saw David Benavidez outclassed him. He has experience. All right, so that's a perfect example when we talk about boxing that recently just happened. So yeah, you can join our university in the description, or keep doing what you're doing. You'll have the opportunity to use our letters that my students and I are using to get these deletions, and the literal letter that was sent to get the charge off deletion. Right. So how much is that worth to you? It's only $49 a month to be in the university. If you can't spare $49, less than $50 in a month, you deserve to have those negative stuff on your credit. I'll be the first to tell you that because you're not financially responsible. So the only catch is you not joining and wasting time trying to do something on your own, and you've already been wasting time, right? And energy trying to figure it out. So link will be in the description. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.